Oh my gosh. Cole, I got a monster, bro. Yeah. Just kidding, he's not big. I just got a bunch of grass on him. But he slammed it, bro. He's a good one. He's decent. Chatterbait. First fish of the day, just a little guy. Caught him on a chatterbait. Later, buddy. Got another one. Oh, that's a nicer one. Another one on the chatterbait. Oh. It's my first time using my kayak. That's a nice one. Let him go. Yeah. Sweet. Second fish of the day. I don't know if I got the first one on video. I think my GoPro was off, but oh well. Okay, I'll catch more. But I casted it right onto this point, and there he was. I knew there was a fish over there. But oh. Got one finally. Yep, I just had to change the spinnerbait. I got a little windy and I knew right away that would work.